In this video, we're gonna do a short full body practice that can be a perfect daily routine, not just to really stretch and move your whole body, but also to open up all the important energy points that we use for manifestation, that are important for our energy flow, our manifestation. Okay, so but before we go into practice, it's time for showreel. So we're gonna start our practice sitting today, and we're gonna be seated in the middle of our mats, legs out, and make sure your back is nice and straight, nice and upright. And now we're gonna start rotating our ankles. So just drop big circles with your toes to the left. And bring your awareness to your breath as well. Connect your breath to the movement now. And switch. We're warming up the body and opening those energy points. In Yoga for Manifestation, we usually start with our feet and then make sure we open up the energy points to allow the energy to travel through our body. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach for our toes. Now for those of you who are not able to reach your toes, having your legs straight, you're just gonna allow your legs to come up a little bit because you really want to get that clamp on your toes. So we're gonna take our index finger, our middle finger together and clamp our big toes nice and tight, because there's an important energy point on our toes that we're activating here. So if you can aim, so if you can't, you aim for and push your knees down. If you can, bring your knees down, clamp nice and tightly. Look forward, inhale, and exhale. Try to bring your elbows onto your knees, okay? Hold there, stretch there. Feel the opening on the back of your legs. Now we're allowing the energy to travel through our legs. Enjoy the pressure. It means it is opening up. Beautiful. Now for those of you who are comfortable in this position, you can take it a little bit further by inhaling, coming up, and exhaling. Pull your elbow all the way onto the ground to intensify that stretch on the back of your legs. If you can't reach, don't worry, your legs will open up very quickly by doing this on a regular basis. So just work on wherever you are. There's always a next mountain. So don't allow for any frustration. We're manifesting all the time. So give me a big, nice smile and feel the gratitude for being able to move your body, open your body like that. Beautiful. And then slowly come up. So we've opened our legs. Now we're gonna open our hips a little bit as well. So just bring your feet together in butterfly position. Now here there's a few things to pay attention to. First of all, you want to make sure you bring your feet in as close as you can, still keeping your back, your spine erect, nicely up right. Now, what will help you a bit is if you actually press the outer part of your feet, press them slightly together and give a little press onto the ground, and you will immediately be able to feel a little more opening in your hips. So now we're gonna start moving our legs here, and the goal here is not for speed and movement, it's about your reach. So you really want to make sure you open these hips by trying to hit the floor with your knees. So that's your goal. Continue breathing deeply and smile. Be a beautiful butterfly. Nice. Beautiful. We're going to do one more thing to open our hips. So just bring your hands into the ground and come into plank position. Now we're going to bring our right foot next to our right palm. Now, if this is a little challenging for you, then that's just your practice is just to shuffle your foot into alignment with your right palm. So that's your practice. If you can't bring your foot all the way to the front, that's okay. If you can bring your foot next to your right palm, place your left knee into the ground and just feel that stretch in your hips. You can place your right hand on your right knee and just open up your hip a little bit more, pulling the left side of your hip towards the ground to intensify that stretch in your hip. Beautiful. Breathe there. There's usually a lot of energy stuck and in our hips, carried in our hips. So this is a wonderful practice to release these energies. It sometimes can also bring along a little bit of emotional energy as well. So we switch, and we just allow and open up. Beautiful. Make sure you bring your hip as close as possible onto the ground and breathe into that opening. Beautiful. Come back. Bring our knees in between our palms. Now we've opened our legs, our hips. Now we need to work a little bit on our lower back, because on the lower back, there is where our main energy tap is. That needs to be open for the energies to flow, for us to be able to channel energies for our meditation. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to attempt to reach to our heels with our hands. And here you want to make sure you don't lean your body back to be able to reach, but you want to push your pelvis forward and then only reach back. If you can't reach, that's okay. You can also hold onto your legs until you're able to reach. If you can reach, you can relax your neck, your head, and look backwards. Feel the opening in your lower back. Breathe there. Beautiful. Slowly come back. Very nice. Beautiful. Now we're gonna open our upper body part as well. So bring your right hand out Now your left arm is gonna bring your right arm in, and make sure you don't place your arm onto your elbow, but a little bit beyond that, so you can really squeeze that arm in nice and tightly to open up that shoulder. Squeeze and smile. Feel the stretch. Beautiful. And switch. Left arm out, right hand brings it in, squeeze it in. Give yourself a weird little hug, but we enjoy it as if it would be the most beautiful hug. And send those positive vibrations out. Breathe. Beautiful. Now we're also gonna give our neck a little stretch, opening up that point just between our shoulders at the top of our spine, so that energy can free flow there as well. So we're gonna look, if this is a 90-degree angle, you want to look about 60 degree, then bring your chest down to your chin, and now with your hand you're gonna placing it just behind your left ear, and then give it a slight pull. Now you want also make sure you pull away with your left shoulder, kind of like pushing your shoulder away from your ear by trying to reach the ground with your palm, so it intensify that stretch and you can actually feel the whole length of the muscles and the tendons in your neck and your shoulders. So breathe into that stretch. Nice. And switch. Turn your head to the left first, 60 degree. Bring your chin down. Reach just behind your right ear, and then give it that stretch. Hold there, breathe there. Allow it to open up. Beautiful. And now we're just gonna do some final few rotations with our shoulders. Big rotations with the zero one. You can bring your elbows together in the front and open up. Beautiful. And switch towards the back. It's one of my favorite exercises to open up those shoulders. Beautiful. And now just rotate with your arms relaxed and feel that release. Beautiful. Now we sit in Sukhasana, happy pose. When we're doing some more dynamic sessions, you will understand and get to know why this position is called happy pose. So just close your eyes quickly, bring your hands together in front of your chest, hold pranam, and take a few deep breaths. Give yourself some thanks to have taken this time to move your body, to open up these so important energy points for a better energy flow and your well-being and your manifestation powers. Slightly tilt your head forward. Keep your eyes closed and just set some powerful, beautiful intentions for the rest of your day. And when you're ready, slowly come back and open your eyes. Beautiful. If you enjoyed this practice, you got any value out of this, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to make sure that we can bring more health, wealth, and happiness into your life. Looking forward to see you on the next video, the next session. Namaste.